To get the Lewis structure for carbon monoxide, you have to find the total number of valence electrons. We can look at the periodic table. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, and in group 16, oxygen has 6 valence electrons. We add them and we get a total of 10 electrons. Then, we can write CO, and we will put 2 electrons between the atoms, forming a chemical bond, and distribute the remaining electrons to complete the octets. Now, we have used all 10 valence electrons. But notice that oxygen has 8 valence electrons, and carbon only has 4, lacking an octet. So we need to form a triple bond to give both atoms complete octets. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.